Hello, in this video I want to show how to modeling and analyzing an engine mount rubber with ABAQUS software. The first I want modeling geometrical of this model, this part in the SolidWorks, and after that exporting the geometrical of this model with the parasolid event to the ABAQUS software for analysis. The parasolid with a name, with a unique name, and save it, and go to ABAQUS software. In the ABAQUS software, we must, for the first time, importing the geometric of this part into this software for analysis. So I go to File, Import, and click on the part. Changing file filter to parasolid type, and then select the TA.x_T. I select this option, and after the geometrical, so I don't have any work in the part module. Now go to properties module. Before creating the material behavior of this rubber in another file, and now in the material library tab, I want to importing this material behavior into the model with the add material to current model. Now I select the rubber, after that C, adding. Now I'm creating two sections. Section 1, that's name is rubber. Category selecting solid and type homogeneous. Continue, select, and selecting material live rubber, and OK. Creating another section for bush, inner bush and outer bush of this engine mount rubber, and setting name T. Category selecting shell and type homogeneous. Continue. After that, the value of thickness or shell thickness of this bush, selecting. I want to select 30.5 millimeter for the shell thickness, and selecting the material for this bush, inner bush and outer bush, steel. Creating the material behavior, and OK. Create two skin for bushing, inner bush and outer bush. Renaming the skin 1 to skin inner. OK. And skin 2 renaming to outer, for outer bush. OK. Now I want to assigning the material and section and a scheme. For first time, I want to selecting the rubber material and then assigning section rubber. Now, the rubber material have a rubber behavior material. Now I must to changing the region to scheme. After selecting the inner scheme and outer scheme as inner bush and outer bush, and clicking down, I selecting the section T, section type shell and material behavior steel, and selecting thickness assignment from section, and selecting shell offset definition to bottom surface, and OK. For review of the bottom of the shell thickness in the inner bush and outer bush, I must select view. I must go to view and part disable option, select part disable option. After that, in idealization, I select and ticking render shell thickness. Now, meshing this part with the tetrahedron element shape. With meshing, I go to tier graph, and after that, into the model, select part, and after select TA, and select double click on mesh. Until go to, in this project, I selecting tetrahedron element shape for meshing this part. Because the part geometry is very complicated and don't have a conform to me for a hexahedron element shape for meshing. I must set part element size to 3 millimeter. After that, meshing, yeah. Now I selecting the assigning element type, and after that selecting material, rubber material, and down. In the element library, I select the standard. In the geometry order, I select linear, and the element shape in the test tab, I selecting hybrid formulation for the elements. Another tab, I selecting the hybrid formulation. After that, I selecting OK,